Welcome. This 60-second guide shows replacing the MacBook Pro 17-inch Unibody upper case. Gather tools, Phillips, Torx, spudger, suction cup, and an ESD wrist strap. Power down, unplug, then remove the battery to prevent short circuits. Unscrew the bottom case and remove the optical drive assembly for access. Disconnect display, keyboard, and trackpad cables, and set screws aside in order. Remove upper case screws and gently lift the top case free from the chassis. Position the replacement upper case, align clips, and press edges until it seats evenly. Reconnect keyboard, trackpad, and display cables, transfer grounding clips and foot pads. Reinstall internal screws and replace the optical drive assembly securely. Reconnect the battery, verify connector seating, then close and screw the bottom case. Power on and test keyboard, trackpad, Wi-Fi, and display functionality. If everything works, reinsert rubber feet and you are done. Seek professional help for issues.